I was eagerly waiting for one courier, and he is here. It's me, Aroha, the rider. Ram is unboxing the courier. Boxing. I'll tell you from where I bought this. In my company, UST Global, we have one program called U-Star Recognition. So, like if any employee is doing an extraordinary thing, his colleagues or his manager can recommend him for U-Star recognition. Like in U-Star, we have like Shining Star, Rising Star, Superstar. Like for each and every category, there are some particular points. So that points will accumulate in our U-Star wallet. Using that points, reward points, we can buy anything from the U-Star shopping cart. I thought to use my rewards points to buy something. There are a lot of things like electronic gadgets were there, fashion accessories, home appliances, and gold coins. So when I was searching for something, and I got this Swiss military action camera. 2-inch display, 120 degree super wide angle, 6G lens for ultra clear focus, micro USB port, full HD, 12 megapixel camera.
Cam 1
Cam 1.
product description action camera. Okay, it is a number. It is made in China. Cost is 326290.
Built-in mic speaker, records full HD 1080 pixel video at 30 frames per second, captures 12 megapixel still photos, ultra wide 120 degree lens, camera housing for waterproof up to 30 meters, built-in 2-inch LCD screen, records to micro SD cards, HC memory cards, micro USB port, 900 mAh lithium ion battery, multiple mounts included, and the box contains a camera, plastic waterproof casing, handlebar, clip 3 mount, pole mount, USB charging cable, bandage, and one user manual and a warranty card.
12 MP lens, full HD pixels, built-in speaker, 2-inch full HD display, waterproof battery, built-in mic, memory, battery.
Looks good. Love from UST. It's really looking good. When I was placing the order, I thought I need to buy mounting accessories and waterproof case. But this is too good, yeah. It contains everything. This is, I think, bandage. Maybe need to for camera mount. Sorry, helmet mounting. We required it. I think it's bandage for helmet mounting. Next, helmet mount, and yeah, one more helmet mount, and one mounting clip. Again, mounting clip with screw. This is for tripod mounting, and for handlebar mounting, and for charging, and finally user manual. So user manual and with warranty card, and here is our product, Swiss military action camera. So it comes with a waterproof protecting case, and so we are trying to switch on it, but before switching it on any device we have to read the user manual. So we thought we can keep this aside and we can read the manual first, and we started reading the manual. First page. Okay.
This is the battery door. This is the battery door.
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay. Oh, status light, power button mode on off, shutter select mode. Okay.
Leading chain.
Yeah, we need a SD card for. It doesn't
This is
have.
about mounting the battery.
No, it doesn't have any internal storage, so we need to add one.
See, this is the basic config. This is what outline. This is about the housing, and this is about the accessories. This is about the basics of the camera.
Okay.
And the next page you have the mounting, how to mount the camera, then what features you have for this camera you can
Camera
see here.
settings.
Okay, this is
Getting started. Okay.
Turn camera on.
Repeatedly press the power button mode cycle for the camera modes. Okay. Press K. Power mode button.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we have to charge it first. No, not like that. It's very small and very lightweight.
Camera, Swiss military,
Okay, on again.
up and down. This is the viewport. Yeah, this is to,
Okay, first
yeah,
switch on that mode.
this is to
Yeah.
switch.
Power on. Okay, on the left. Showing no card. Okay.
Card has to be inserted here somewhere.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
This is the port for charging. This is the port for
And already charged
memory
for
card.
4 hours now.
See, you can see no card.
Okay.
You can see no card here. Once you insert the card, you can start shooting.
Okay.
This is the trigger for starting the shoot.
Okay. 1 second.